Let's walk through the features of your new pump and how you can get the most out of every session. The NaturalWave pump has 12 levels of hospital strength suction, so you can find the perfect setting for your comfort and milk flow. And for those late night sessions, the built-in nightlight has 2 brightness levels, just enough light without waking your baby. Now let's talk about the different phases of your new pump. Every session starts with the let-down phase. This phase uses quick, gentle suction to trigger your milk flow, like how babies start nursing. It's designed to help you get started faster and more comfortably. Once your milk is flowing, switch to expression phase. This phase uses slower, deeper suction to express milk efficiently. You can adjust the suction strength to what works and feels best for you. What makes this pump so special is the NaturalWave technology phase. It uses gentle vibrations that mimic a baby's tongue movements to encourage more letdowns, boost your comfort, and help you empty your breast completely. Use this phase anytime, especially when your milk flow slows or when you want a gentler experience. Your session is complete when your milk flow stops and your breasts feel comfortably empty. Remember, every mom's pumping rhythm is different, and the NaturalWave pump is designed to adapt with you. Pair it with our organic pumping spray to reduce friction, or our hot and cold breast therapy packs to help relieve pain and stimulate milk flow. You've got this, mama, and we're here to support you every step of the way.